Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. Like all good things, they all come to an end. Coming to the end of this journey, this job out here, building this frac sand plant. See the guys back here, they're kind of finishing up. This is some extra stuff that they pulled out, but apparently we're doing pretty well on the budget. So they went ahead and brought this back, so we're knocking it out. So what I want to do today is I'm going to throw the drone up in the air and get some videos and show y'all some before and after of what we've been doing out here. And hope you've been watching other videos and hope you enjoy them. So I'm gonna go get the drone, get it ready. welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little video, little montage before and after. You can see what we've done. Every day is a different day, and it could not have been done without everybody out here. So we're gonna let the electricians finish up what they're doing, finish wiring everything up. That way we can start test running some of this stuff and commissioning it. We're not done with this job yet, but we're getting towards the end, and we're gonna start rolling into other projects, and we'll start bringing you some of that. But I wanted to kind of do this update and show you where we're at with the plant, and we appreciate you coming along, watching Turnin and Burnin, hanging out with the crew and everything. Like always, subscribe. And you know what? We ain't dragging up, but we're rolling on up out of here. Till next time, adios.